At least 60 people don't die after fire scatter one shopping center for Quds, Iraq on Wednesday night. Officials tok say the place wey just open 5 days ago catch serious fire but dem don finally control am. And Israeli army don first drop statement about the strike wey hit Catholic Church for Gaza. Na small for today tori be dat. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. Remember to like and subscribe make you no miss hottest story wey dey happen for world. Israeli looters wey dey thief am and sell for black market with price wey plenty Gaza people no fit afford. Syrian interim president Ahmed al-Shara don talk say to protect Druze citizens na im be top priority after Israel threa ten to destroy Syria military for say dem attack the minority group for Sueda province. Dis na Shara first time to talk for TV since Israel bomb Damascus on Wednesday. Im also warn say Syria no dey fear fight. Government troops don begin comot for Sueda under ceasefire wey dem agree with Druze leaders, but nobody sure if the peace go last. Since Sunday, more than 350 people don die for the fight between Druze militias and Pidgin tribes. Since Shara enter power, e don always talk say Syria no get strength to fight with Israel for now, say the country get plenty wahala already. Plenty Druze people no trust Shara because of im jihadist background. Taipei, the capital of Taiwan, shut down completely on Thursday as dem do one massive civil defense drill against possible attack for China. Siren blow everywhere, people run enter shelter and traffic just jam. Dem also do evacuation and casualty drills. The exercise join body with Taiwan biggest war games wey dem call Hanquang. China still dey claim say Taiwan na part of dem and dem never rule out say dem fit use force to take am back. Dis week own drill wey dem call urban resilience na one of many wey Taiwan don dey do to prepare people for attack and make dem ready. Even though US don warn say President Xi fit order invasion by 2027, many Taiwanese no too believe say China go really attack. One poll from INDSR last year show say over 60% no think say China go invade within 5 years. Still, Taiwan government dey invest heavy put for defense. This year, dem use over 22,000 soldiers, 50% pass last year, do land, sea and air drills. New weapons from US like HIMARS missile systems, Stinger and Hellfire missiles, plus Taiwan-made rockets all show face. Heavy rain wey start for Wednesday don kill at least 63 people for Punjab province, Pakistan, and injure another 290 people, according to Wetin National Disaster Management Authority talk. Dem say most of the people die as building fall on top dem, while others drown or shock with electric wire. Rawalpindi, wey near capital Islamabad, don declare Thursday public holiday make people stay house. Dem also tell people wey dey live near river make dem comot as water don dey rise. Dis monsoon begin for June end. Almost 180 people don die for the whole country and plenty of dem na children. Many express roads for Punjab don close, flights cancel or delay. For Shakwai, dem say 400 millimeters of rain fall for just one day. Rescue boats and helicopter dey find people wey flood trap. Punjab Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz don declare emergency for plenty area. She talk say government people dey try well and beg residents to follow safety rules. Dem still expect more rain and flash flood for the weekend. Thousands of rescue people don ready for standby. Pakistan, wey get almost 250 million people, dey suffer well for climate wahala. Dem get two strong weather systems. One dey cause heat and dryness. The other na dis kind heavy monsoon rain. US President Donald Trump don talk say America and India dey very close to seal trade deal as big talk still dey go on between the two countries. For Wednesday, Trump tell reporters for White House say dem dey near the deal wey go make India open market for US. Later for interview, e still repeat say the deal dey very close. Na since April 2, Trump announce say 27% tariffs go enter Indian goods. Even though dem first pause am reach July 9, dem later shift di deadline again go 1 August. Reuters tok say Indian officials dey US dis week for more talks. Last month, di team even ex ten d dia stay for Washington to push di matter well. Trump happy say US go fit get access to Indian market like dem just get wit Indonesia. E say India dey follow dat same style. India Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal tok say di talks dey move fast, but e still remind say India no dey rush enter any deal unless e favour dia national interest. At least 60 pipo don die after fire scatter one shopping centre for Quds, Iraq on Wednesday night. Officials tok say di place wey just open 5 days ago catch fire, but dem don finally control am. Firefighters rescue some pipo wey dey for roof, but state media still report say many pipo still dey miss. Videos show as fire dey burn through plenty floors for di Cornish hypermarket as fire crew try put am out. While Governor Mohammed Al-Miahi call di incident tragedy and calamity and don promise say dem go take legal action against di owner of di mall. E also declare 3 days mourning for di area. Ambulance still dey carry injured pipo go hospital around 4 a.m. local time. One doctor, Nasir Al-Qurashi, tok say e lose 5 family members. E explain say dem go mall go chop dinner and relax because of light wahala for house, but suddenly air condition explode for 2nd floor and everywhere catch fire. And di last one for today, Tomorrowland organisers don confirm say di popular music festival for Belgium go still happen even after fire destroy dia main stage on Wednesday evening. Plenty pipo wey don arrive south of Antwerp no go miss anything as organisers dey work round the clock to find solution. Dem say nobody wound for the fire and experts still dey check wetin cause am. The event go start Friday and dem go expect over 400,000 people throughout 2 weekends. Top artists like David Guetta, Lost Frequencies, Swedish House Mafia and Charlotte the White still dey for the lineup. The fire begin around 6 p.m. local time and videos for social media show thick smoke wey cover everywhere. Some residents near the place even evacuate as firefighters try stop the fire make e no reach houses and bush. Tomorrowland, wey start since 2005, na the biggest electronic dance music festival for the world and e dey always draw fans from all over. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.